Hello, my name is Billy Joey. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon for future updates. And watch this video till the end for special discount coupon. In today's video we are going to talk about Livestorm, its features and pricing. So, what is Livestrom? Livestorm enables powerful, yet pain-free video engagements at scale. Our end-to-end video engagement platform enables organizations to create professional video engagements that can be easily managed in one place. Livestorm is a browser-based platform that doesn't require a download or setup. You can use Livestorm for on-demand, live, or pre-recorded meetings or events. Livestorm supports all the workflows around a video engagement, including landing pages, registration, email follow-ups, and sharing video recordings. Powerful end-to-end analytics helps you track and measure audience engagement. Our seamless integration with tools like Pipedrive and Intercom helps you manage all your insights in one place. Livestorm makes it easy to create, promote and follow up on online events. You can instantly create high-quality landing pages, automatically send promotional emails and reminders, engage your audience with integrated chat, polls, and Conda functionalities, analyze event performance through an advanced analytics dashboard. Livestorm's customers come from various sectors including technology, education, healthcare, government, media, real estate, and much more. Our all-in-one video engagement platform is available in 24 languages and our customers come from all over the world. Livestrong Features: host tools, branding, role-based access, recording, attendee tools, registration, attendee live chat, polls and surveys, post-event tools, event, analytics, attendee reports, integrations, social media integration, software integrations, collaboration tools, screen sharing, meeting coordination, scheduling, recording, participant permissions, software type, mobile. For more information, visit official websites with discount coupons. Please check the first links in description. Livestorm pricing. Livestorm has 3 pricing editions. Look at different pricing editions below and see what edition and features meet your budget and needs. Please watch the product demo from the second link from description. Thanks for watching the video, have a great day.